Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're in the market for premium wireless earbuds with incredible sound quality, noise cancellation, and top-tier features, then you're going to want to stick around for today's video. We're diving into the Sony WF-1000XM5, Sony's latest flagship in their highly acclaimed series of wireless earbuds. Let's see if these are worth your investment in 2025. Let's start with the design. The WF-1000XM5 earbuds have a sleek, modern look with a more compact build compared to the previous model, the WF-1000XM4. Sony has made these earbuds noticeably smaller and lighter, improving comfort for long listening sessions. These earbuds come with a variety of ear tips to ensure the perfect fit and seal, improving both comfort and sound isolation. Whether you're working out, commuting, or just relaxing at home, they'll stay in place. Now let's talk about the sound. Sony is known for its exceptional audio quality, and the WF-1000XM5 continues that tradition. With Dynamic Driver X technology, you get deep bass, clear mids, and crisp highs. The real magic happens when you use the LDAC codec for high-resolution audio streaming. If you're an audiophile, you'll appreciate the depth and detail these earbuds bring to your music. One of the standout features of the WF-1000XM5 is its industry-leading noise cancellation. Sony has improved their adaptive sound control technology, which automatically adjusts the level of noise cancellation based on your environment. Whether you're on a noisy plane, in a crowded cafe, or just at home, these earbuds block out almost all external noise, letting you focus on your music or calls without distractions. In terms of battery life, the WF-1000XM5 delivers up to 8 hours of playback on a single charge with an additional 16 hours from the charging case, bringing the total to 24 hours. And if you're in a rush, just 10 minutes of charging gives you about an hour of playback, which is super convenient. The WF-1000XM5 also comes with some great features like touch controls, allowing you to easily play or pause music, adjust volume, and take calls with just a simple tap. There's also voice assistant integration, which is compatible with both Google Assistant and Alexa. For those who love customization, the Sony Headphones Connect app gives you full control over sound settings, including an equalizer, ambient sound modes, and more, tailoring the listening experience to your preferences. The call quality on the WF-1000XM5 is fantastic. With multiple microphones and a dedicated chip for voice processing, your voice comes through loud and clear, even in noisy environments. Plus, the Bluetooth 5.3 ensures a stable connection with minimal dropouts, even when you're moving around. So, is the Sony WF-1000XM5 worth it? With its top-of-the-line sound quality, exceptional noise cancellation, long battery life, and sleek design, these earbuds are among the best in 2025. They come at a premium price point, but if you're looking for the ultimate wireless earbuds experience, they're definitely worth considering. What do you think? Are you excited about the WF-1000XM5? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on the latest tech products. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Subscribe for more tech reviews.